Ever wanted to send bulk text messages from a spreadsheet? Well, this is how we do it. Column A is going to have the phone number, you're going to have the message you want to send in column B, and then you need what's called an SMS gateway in column C. This is going to refer to the network account, such as like Verizon or AT&T. So you'll need to get that and put it in this cell, and it needs to match for this phone number. So all you have to do is then hit this button and it'll send the message. You'll see it says running script and finish script. This is going to send it straight from your email account. So right here, here's the message that just sent. To do this, we do just a couple of things. First, you want to create a button. Let's go to Insert, go to Drawing. We're going to choose a shape. I'm just going to draw the shape. Choose a fill color, then we're going to do a text box and do send, and then hit save and close. And then all you have to do is right click on this, you see the 3 dots, and you'll assign the script. Now the script is called send text messages, so just copy this phrase right here, Command C, paste it with Command V, and now this button will work. So I just sent the message again. Now if you want to just pause the video, this is the script that will run the whole system for you. If you want a detailed breakdown, I'll include a Google document showing the script and also a breakdown of each part of the script and how it works.